Hi, I'm Chris Voorhees, Executive Sous Chef here at Contemporary Catering, and I'm going to show you how to make a simple coleslaw dressing. Basically, for a nice coleslaw, start off with some shredded cabbage, some shredded carrots. You can do like a different multicolored, little shredded purple cabbage, a little green cabbage. Shred those up, and then for your dressing for that, basically a little bit of mayonnaise. So take your mayo, sugar, granulated white is fine, a little pinch of salt and pepper, a little touch of celery seed, a little bit of apple cider vinegar. This is going to thin out the mayonnaise a little bit and make it a little more runny. It won't be so tight, and it'll also add a little acid to it so the flavor and what you're eating actually a little stands up on your tongue a little bit. Make sure your taste buds perk up, if you will. And then a little seasoning concoction that I have that's called calico spice, and it's like ground annatto, some dill weed, a little black sesame, and some other secret spices that I can't tell you about. Otherwise, I would be killed. Take all those things, combine those in a middle mixing bowl. Take a whip to them, whip them up like that. Add in your other ingredients, the shredded cabbage, the shredded carrots, maybe even some green onions. You got a nice little coleslaw. Make a little barbecue pork sandwich, put the coleslaw on top of that. There's lunch. My name's Chris, and that's how you make coleslaw dressing.